DEWALT DXCVXA092B 20V cordless shop vac review. Hybrid power that solves outlet limits.
The extension cord stopped 3 feet short of the truck bed, right as dust started blowing everywhere. I watched a contractor drag a bulky vacuum across gravel just to reach one outlet. He shook his head and muttered, "This shouldn't be this hard." It was the last straw. Cleanup shouldn't slow real work. Ever been there? Wasted motion adds up fast. You finish the job, but fine dust coats your tools and damp debris sits heavy in the tank while you hunt for power. One shop owner told me he avoided small cleanups because setup felt like a chore. That gritty frustration builds quietly. It drains momentum. There has to be a cleaner way. Don't just pick any wet-dry shop vacuum. Make sure it has dual AC and DC hybrid power so you never experience outlet limitations and stalled cleanup again. That's where the DEWALT DXCVXA092B 20V cordless shop vac changes the rhythm of your workflow. You can plug it in for continuous runtime in the garage or drop in a 20V max battery when you're working in a truck bed, driveway, or unfinished site. Simple flexibility. With a 9-gallon tank, up to 110 cubic feet per minute airflow, and peak power rated at 4 horsepower on listings, it handles dust, debris, and liquid spills without constant emptying. The semi-automatic filter cleaning system helps maintain suction, while the integrated drain port makes wet cleanup faster and less messy. A project manager I know nearly missed a handover because drywall dust covered the space. He rolled this unit in, ran it corded for uninterrupted power, and finished smoothly before inspection. Crisis avoided. Onboard storage keeps the hose, wands, and nozzles organized, which sounds small until you stop losing attachments. Want fewer interruptions during cleanup? This is where it starts, and the long-term difference might surprise you. After a few weeks of steady use, the real benefit becomes consistency. You stop planning cleanup around outlets and start planning it around efficiency. A power tool specialist told me the hybrid design is what makes it practical on real job sites, especially when power access changes hour by hour. An everyday contractor shared something simpler. I just grab it and go. Cord or battery, it works. That reliability becomes the new normal. The wheel-mounted cart and casters make movement smooth across concrete and gravel, and the heavy-duty latches feel secure after repeated emptying. Even the onboard accessory storage reduces friction because everything has a place. Small detail, big impact. Now, let's address the obvious objection. Is it as strong as a large stationary industrial vacuum? No. And it's not meant to replace one for massive demolition debris. It's built for mobile, flexible cleanup, where portability matters more than maximum suction. That clarity actually protects expectations. More crews are leaning toward hybrid tools because downtime costs more than equipment. When your cleanup keeps pace with your work, momentum stays intact. Could that shift improve your workflow? The DEWALT DXCVXA092B 20V cordless shop vac isn't about hype. It's about controlled, flexible cleanup that moves with you instead of holding you back. Professionals and serious DIY users are steadily adopting hybrid vacuums because adaptability matters on modern job sites. Results may vary depending on task and battery choice, but the workflow upgrade is real. Ready for fewer outlet problems and faster resets? Check the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.